Hi guys, good morning guys. It's 9:44 in the morning here of Saturday. I'm sleepy but I need to go outside to visit a Petromin. It's a shop for vehicle maintenance. My car here, it says September 24, 25. Without my glasses I can't see it. It's the next visit, but here it's 192, but I already reached 195, so I have to visit a workshop to have this changed, to have the changed oil, cleaning of filter and others. It's around 48 minutes from my camp, and this is my first time. I hope I will not get lost. Anyway, there's Google to guide me. Yes, from bed, breakfast, and go. Bye guys, see you later. Now here in Petromin. See? Very funny
What's your
job.
son? What's your son? What's your son?
Jisan people. I used to work with them in Jisan. Surprised to see them here.
Small world, huh?
A small world. SMP has a small world. Here now at the Petromin Express. Yung dalawa kong kasama sa Jisan. Dalawang Indian. Kahit saan may Pinoy. Pag Petromin sa Jisan, mga barkada ko dun Pinoy. From the start. Buti ito pinakamalap. Ha? Dati 2 months pa lang ako dito sa Alhasa. Saan ka doon?
Tiyuhin ko, doon area manager doon.
Saan siya doon?
Sa Petromin.
Oh, ang daming Petromin. Ako,
Lahat lang yung ano doon.
lahat? Oo nga no. Kasi ako sa base. Dalawa yung pinupuntahan ko sa base. Dalawang Petromin. Pag area manager, sakop niya na yung Jisan ano. Ayan na oh.
Asa no sa Riyadh.
Okay. Good morning. Yun na lang. It's my turn. Mabilis lang to no?
Hindi, linisin ko muna yung ilalim.
Oo, salamat. Disyerto nga kami na-assign kasi. Pati nga labas oh.
Ganyan talaga sir, pag ano, kapit pa yung ulan na.
Oo. Putik pa sa side.
Saan ka ba sa Awiya?
Hawiya.
Awiya?
Oo. Malayo-layo. Ha?
Samsung. Alcat.
Samsung. Oh. This is Alhasa. this car.
Napalitan mo na ba itong battery mo?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa?
Bago yata yan eh. 2 months pa lang ako dito. 2 months ko pala yung nagagamit. Kasi inaano naman yan ng Alhoti bago ibigay sa amin. Oo nga. Kaya nga kahit saang Petromin sa Jisan, okay kami.
Update din yung anong pinagbabayad ng Petromin eh.
Kaya nga.
Dami ngayon na-stop na mga service dito sa kumpanya kasi nga. Dami ibang
Hindi magbabayad. Alhoti maayos sila sa pagbabayad. Kasi binabawas naman sa amin eh. Diretso. Okay pa. Okay pa yung battery ko daw. Shout out ka sir oh sa aking vlog.
Nagpa-vlog ka?
Oh, taga saan ka?
Jinsan.
Jensan.
Saan ka ba?
Bisaya din ako.
Bisaya ka? Asa ka?
Cotabato.
Ako Cotabato?
Bisaya ba?
Minsayap?
Oo.
Dual na data.
Doon lang mana.
Itsuon mo sa anong lang.
Saan lang. Oh.
Sulan lang lang. Shout out po lang taga-Bisayap.
Oh, shout out. Naku, ikaw bandiri, taga Surala siya, makilala di ba?
Makilala sir, ano yan sir? North. North, isa ko pa rin sa sa Bisayap.
Oo. Wala, shout out daw sa among
Shout
kaya
out.
mga kaila oh.
Shout out daw.
Shawawat.
Yung ano sir? Nag-vlog ka pala sir?
Ano lang, puro nga Petromin eh. Pag nanood ka, puro Petromin. Petromin sa Jisan dito. Subscribe ka ha,
Sige.
para mapanood nila yung shout out mo.
Sige.
Pangalan kaibigan, di pa nasabi.
Ha? Junel pala, Junel.
Oh, Junel. Junjun ako eh. Madaling tandaan. Si Junel from Jensan. Mga taga Cotabato di ay may pareho mi. Ingat ka dito, baka mahulog ka oh. Ako pala yung mahulog mo. Good standing daw ang Alhoti, nagbabayad daw ang maayos. Oh my god, nahiya na ako. Naku, pasensya ka na diha. Ayaw may pakita yung sasakyan kung madumi. Sahel. Malinis ang ano dito, Petromin. Unlike sa ibang mga maintenance. Petromin Express, the innovation that excites. Mostly the workers are from the Philippines. Mahangin. It's almost 12 midnight, 12 noon. I can now bear the sunlight unlike the previous months. Very. Alhasa. That's what's good with Petromin, talagang i-vacuum nila paano na yung linis. Mabait nila no. Yung iba ano lang, okay lang Petromin. Ay dito. Yeah. Nalita na yung Piper ko. Yan nga nirereklamo ko sa Loti. Loti na ano mo.
Piper?
Oo.
Sira na kasi?
Sira na nga. Ayun, maganda na oh. Ayan, pwede na ako magpa-car wash. Punta lang kayo dito sa Petromin. Maraming Petromin dito, no? Dito sa Hukuk. Hanapin nyo si Junel. Ayun, namasikaso. Sipag sila dito. They really take care. I didn't tell him to do change the wiper, but he did. And that's nice of him. Because it really needs to be changed. Because it's not working properly anymore. Sorry for my coughing, guys. I'm hungry. I don't know where to eat now. After this, I'll just have to go back to my camp and have some bread instead. I don't like eating outside alone. So lonely. What's up, guys? The same t-shirt I wore last night. From bed, had coffee for breakfast, and then went to for this construction. Right. Almost done. Thank you, Junel of Petromin. Bye guys. You can really see the extra service guys. Sige. Magpa-carwash na lang ako.
Magpakarwas ka?
Doon sa ano malapit sa amin. Night shift kasi ako ngayon.
Ha?
Night shift. Kailangan matulog din. Ayan si Junel. Oo. Nasa may-ari noon isa? Ah. Ah, okay. Linis na yata sa loob. Thank you, Junel. Thank you very much for your... Oo. Oo nga. Pinalitan lang to sa paglipat ko dito, ito nang pinalit.
Ano ba dati yung sakyan mo? Malaki?
Malaki.
Tuner?
Hindi, nag-pick up, nag-impala. Ngayon ito, okay lang to sa akin kasi tipid sa gasolina.
Ano ba ito? Reverse yung gasolina?
Pero yung ano, pag maubos, ang layo ng bibiyahin mo para lang magpagas. Kaya ayaw ko ng ganun. Tamad akong bumiyahe para lang magpagas.
Nakapagod kasi.
Kapagod. Siyempre, ano ka...
Wala ka sumistisyon to.
Malayo, dyan pa sa ano. Merong isa doon, kaso lang minsan naubusan. Sa village. Everything. Change oil, air filter, tire pressure, and he cleaned my windshield with a new wiper. The company will pay them anyway. Ay. Junel from Jensen. Nambubusina agad?
Ha? Oo, madali ng mga baro.
Gusto mauna agad? Kararating lang. Pipirma ako ng kontrata guys that I came here for service. You know, ganda ng CCTV na. Uy, payat ako sa CCTV. Very good. Guys. I'm done with the car maintenance. Oh, the air condition really sorry about that. I had to adjust it to 2 because It's so cold because the air filter was cleaned. Two wipers have been changed, and wow, good condition again. Except the exterior, guys, I have to visit a car wash shop, and Petromin, wherever I go, Petromin workers are really awesome in terms of doing the job. You will really see and feel their love to their work. They have initiatives. You will really see that they really care about the car and doing the service 101%. So now I'm here at the gas station just beside the car maintenance shop back there. Apparently I think it's Salah because I don't see the gasoline boys. I have half of my fuel tank, but since I'm already here, I might as well have this refilled to 100%, because petrol stations are very far from our camp, guys. I have duty tonight, so I need to go back to my room and sleep to have power tonight for tonight's activities. My stuff at the back here. Where are the gasoline boys? Bye guys, thank you for watching. Shout out and thank you for the support. Subscribe, bye, and thank you.